What are some personal injury myths and how do they get started? A lot of people will have read or heard from their neighbors or on email things that aren't actually true about personal injury cases, about people getting millions of dollars for mythical injuries or imaginary injuries. Either the facts have been omitted from those stories or some of them are just made up altogether. Part of the problem is that insurance companies are telling one side of the story. They've had a public relations department and budgets of millions and millions, and they've been spreading stories for decades, planning stories in popular media like Reader's Digest. And they do that for two reasons. One, to sort of poison the jury pool of people who may be hearing a case and to try to get preconceptions into their heads about it, and another to provide political cover for politicians who then they make campaign contributions to those same politicians, and the politicians will pass laws that really restrict people's rights to be compensated for their injuries. The problem is there's really no one on the other side. There's no group like people who are going to be injured in the future to preserve their rights and to tell the other side of the story, to tell the fact, for instance, that in the McDonald's coffee case, the unfortunate lady who only got a few $100,000 for it had to go through multiple skin grafts, and how her award was reduced, and how McDonald's had served that coffee at 40 degrees hotter than scalding and scalded something like 600 people before this lady actually went through what she did. That side of the story never seems to be told, and so the myth is, well, somebody spilled hot coffee on themselves and got millions of dollars. You've got to be careful about accepting these kind of things. Somebody is telling those stories to you for a reason. If you want to know more about that, feel free to call us or contact us through our website or by email, and we can talk about how the myths of personal injury might affect your case.